Chapter 9, Differential Calculus, Limits and Continuity. Exercise 9.1. Question number 11. The question is, estimate the limit value of the given function, that is 1 by x minus 3. So limit x tends to 3, 1 by x minus 3. The value of the limit is calculated by using the graph. The graph is given below. Using this graph, find the value of the limit. Here our limit is x tends to 3. The position of 3 on x-axis is this point. So 3. The 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2 all are leftwards of 3. And all the points 4, 5, 6, these points are rightwards of 3. This arrow mark represents leftwards approaches 3. This arrow mark represents rightwards approaches 3. So through the 3, we can draw a vertical line. This vertical line was the vertical line. The vertical line never meets a curve anywhere. The vertical line never meets a curve anywhere. Therefore, the value, that is limit of the given question, doesn't exist. So now write the reason. Solution. The vertical line. So vertical line through x is equal to 3 never meets the curve, anywhere. Therefore, at x is equal to 3, the value of the curve on y-axis doesn't exist. Therefore, the limit x tends to 3, 1 by x minus 3 doesn't exist. For limit of the question is doesn't exist. Question number 11 is over. Now question number 11 is over. Now question number 12. So question 12. So limit x tends to 5 modulus x minus 5 divided by x minus 5. So estimate the limit value of this question by using the graph. Using this graph, find the limit value of the given function. Here our limit is x tends to 5. The position of 5 on x-axis is here. So all these points are leftwards of 5. Then 6, 7 and going, all these points are rightwards of 5. This arrow mark represents leftwards approaches 5. This arrow mark represents rightwards approaches 5. This graph shows that all the points leftwards of 5, that is 4, 3, 2, 1, all the points leftwards of 5, our f of x takes minus 1. This place minus 1 and minus 1, all are minus 1. And at x is equal to 5 never takes minus 1. And same way, the rightwards of 5, 6, 7, 8 and going, all the points rightwards of 5, our f of x takes plus 1. Here plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1 and going. And on x is equal to 5, our f of x not takes plus 1. Therefore, through 5, we can draw a vertical line. We can draw a vertical line. We can draw a vertical line. The vertical line doesn't meet a curve. This circle, the circle shape represents the point is not included, and here also the minus 1 is not included. Through the point 5 we can draw a vertical line. The vertical line never meets a curve anywhere. Therefore, limit of the given question doesn't exist. The limit of the given question doesn't exist. Solution. This graph shows that all the points leftwards of 5, f of x takes minus 1. Similarly, all the points rightwards of 5, f of x takes plus 1. So, all the points leftwards of 5, f of x takes minus 1, and similarly all the points rightwards of 5, f of x takes plus 1. And so when x is equal to 5, the value of the curve on y-axis does not exist. That meaning is, through 5 draw a vertical line. The vertical line never meets a curve anywhere. Therefore, the value of the curve on y-axis doesn't exist. Therefore, limit of the given question is not exist. So, limit extends to 5. Modulus x minus 5 by x minus 5 does not exist. Therefore, question number 12 is over. The question number 12 is over. Now, question number 13. Question number 13. The question is, limit extends to 1 sin pi x. Find the value of the limit using the graph. By using this graph, find the value of the limit of the given function sin pi x. Here our limit value is x tends to 1. The position of 1 at x is equal to 1 is this place. The position of 1 on x-axis is this place. At this point, the curve passes through x-axis. At this point, the curve passes through x-axis. Therefore, the point is 1, 0. The point is 1, 0. Therefore, we conclude that the value of the limit value of the given question is 0. Solution. At x is equal to 1, the curve passes through x-axis. Therefore, at x is equal to 1, the value of the curve on y-axis is 0. The value of the curve on y-axis is 0. Therefore, limit x tends to 1 sin pi x equal to 0. At x is equal to 1, the value of the curve on y-axis is 0. Therefore, limit value is 0. The limit value is 0. So, question number 13 over. Thank you.